Hi guys, welcome back again to my channel. In this video, I'm going to show you all how to make beautiful woolen flower with two colors of wool and pearls. First thing to do is to wrap the first color of wool on your pointer finger for 15 times. Then attach needle at the section of the wool and use that to surround the wool already on your pointer finger. Please, if you are new here, consider subscribing to my channel, and if you're a returning subscriber, thanks for always stopping by. Continue sewing until you get to the point where you began, and then sew to secure. I'll do the woolen design and then cut off the excess ends. Next, attach the second color of wool and then add 3 pearls right there. Just watch as I'm doing that. Sew to secure the 3 pearls on the woolen design, and then pass the needle and wool on the last pearl. And continue adding 2 pearls at a time. Just follow along. Please guys, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel if you have not done so. When you get to the point where you began, you will add only 1 pearl. At this point, attach a medium-sized pearl right at the center of the woolen flower to close the opening the finger created, and also to make the woolen flower beautiful and seamless. I trust you guys will find the tutorial easy to follow. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll surely see you all in my next video.